Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, remember this is based on my personal experience with the product service. Today, we're taking a look at Santander, accessible online at www.santander.com. Santander is a global banking giant, offering a wide range of financial services to individuals and businesses alike. Navigating their website, you'll find a plethora of options, from everyday banking needs like checking and savings accounts, to more complex financial instruments like mortgages, loans, and investment opportunities. The site's layout generally aims for user-friendliness, allowing customers to easily browse through various product categories and access relevant information. Depending on your geographical location, you'll encounter different services and offers tailored to specific regional markets. It's important to note that Santander operates across several continents, so the available products and their features can vary significantly. For example, the services available to a customer in Spain might differ greatly from what's offered to someone in the United Kingdom or the United States. This international reach allows Santander to cater to a diverse clientele with a wide array of financial needs. For individuals, Santander typically provides personal banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and personal loans. They also often offer online banking and mobile banking apps for convenient account management and transaction processing. On the business side, Santander caters to small businesses, large corporations, and institutional clients, providing tailored financial solutions such as business loans, merchant services, and cash management tools. This breadth of services underscores Santander's position as a comprehensive financial services provider. When exploring the Santander website, it's crucial to identify your specific region to ensure you're viewing the most relevant information. The site often includes dedicated sections for different countries or regions, which can be accessed through a drop-down menu or a world map. This regional focus helps streamline the user experience and ensures customers can easily find the specific products and services they need. Whether you're an individual looking for a simple checking account or a large corporation seeking complex financial solutions, Santander aims to provide a one-stop shop for all your banking requirements.